Are you looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use PDF editor that can handle everything from editing and converting to AI-powered features? Then Wondershare PDFelement is the perfect solution for you. In this video, I'll give you a complete walkthrough of Wondershare PDFelement, covering its key features, how it works, and why it stands out as one of the best PDF editors available. Let's dive in. Wondershare PDFelement is an all-in-one PDF editor designed for Windows, Mac, and mobile devices. It allows you to edit, convert, annotate, sign, protect, and even use AI-powered tools to enhance your workflow. Whether you're a student, a business professional, or just someone who works with PDFs regularly, this software makes your life easier. Also, link available in the video description. After installing, when you open the software, you will find many categories here, such as Edit PDF, Convert PDF, OCR PDF, e-sign, template, etc. In the All Tools section, you will find even more options. Now, first, open your PDF file. One of the key reasons people love PDFelement is its powerful editing capabilities. Click on the Edit tab, select any text box and start typing. You can change the fonts, sizes and colors just like in a word processor. Resize, move, or replace images in your PDFs effortlessly. Need to convert your PDFs to another format? No problem. Go to the Convert tab and choose your desired output format: Word, Excel, PowerPoint, image, text, or more. With just one click, PDFelement retains the original formatting, making the process smooth and hassle-free. With OCR, PDFelement can convert scanned documents into editable and searchable text. Simply open a scanned PDF, go to the Tools tab, select OCR, and let the AI do the magic. You can even choose different languages for more accurate recognition. Use the Form tab to add text fields, checkboxes, radio buttons, and more. In the Organize section, you can rotate, delete, extract, split, crop, and resize your PDF file. If you want to protect your PDF file by setting a password, go to the Protect section, select the Encrypt option, and set your password there. Now, whenever you try to open the file, it won't open without the password. And if you want to add a signature to your PDF, that option is also available here. Go to the Comments section, where you will find many tools such as Highlight Text, Area Highlight, Pencil, Eraser, Text Markup, and more. There are also various shapes and stamps available. You can add any shape or stamp to your PDF from here. Now, let's explore the powerful AI features in PDFelement. AI Grammar Checker automatically detects and corrects grammatical errors, ensuring your PDFs look professional. AI Translator. Easily translate text into multiple languages, ideal for business, research, or global communication. You can also transfer PDFs to your phone instantly by scanning a QR code. No email or cloud storage required. Wondershare PDFelement is more than just a PDF editor. It's a smart, all-in-one solution designed to enhance your workflow. If this video was helpful, like, share and subscribe for more tech tutorials and reviews. Thanks for watching.